Hey there, it's another edition of Tutorial Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an e-commerce store with your smartphone in less than 5 minutes. I found this awesome, fresh, new application that can be used to set up an online store with your smartphone, and it also offers WhatsApp integration and a lot more cool features. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Hey there, if you have a smartphone, you would want to binge on my channel. And every week I teach you one thing that you can do with your smartphone or a tip on how to make money online with your smartphone. Don't miss subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss a single video from my channel. You are welcome to my channel. Alright, before we get started, I would like to welcome you back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and also if this is the first video you're watching from me. Wow, you are also welcome, and I'd love you to join the community where we teach people how to stay productive and also profit with their smartphone. Hit the subscribe button down below and then turn on notifications so you'll always be notified when I drop a fresh video. And also, to help push this video to more viewers, please hit the like button down below. With this, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, we are going to go to Play Store and download the application. Okay, it's already here. So the application is called My Store. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to the download on the description down below. So I'm going to tap and install the application. I had to delete the application so I can take you from the very beginning, all right, of creating or setting up your own e-commerce store to the end. Okay, so we are downloading the application. I have not checked if this app is available on App Store, but if when I do and it is, then the link to also download it on App Store should be in the description down below as well. All right, so this is the application. So this is what you're going to be getting or seeing on opening the application. So I'm going to tap on start using my store. So I did not mention that this app is actually available for free. Okay, I didn't mention that. So yes, it is available for free. Okay, so you can see they're asking for a WhatsApp enabled number. All right, so I'm going to tap and add my number. Okay, so I'm going to tap and add my number so it can send an OTP to me. So, oh sorry, I made a mistake. I added 234 twice. So I'm going to remove this 234 because the Nigerian number right here, okay, the Nigerian flag already means that it have added the country code. Okay, so now I'm going to be expecting my OTP, that's one-time password. Okay, so it's here, and I'm going to write 688 723. Okay, yes. Alright, so now the app is open. Okay, so it actually because I'd already earlier signed up with this number, that is why you are seeing Moviomat and all of this. Okay, so when we go to accounts, you're going to see Moviomat. All right, so we are going to, this is where you get to set up the app, all right, to what you want it to be. So you're going to put in your what is it called, your store logo or your company logo. All right, just like we have Momat here. Then you enter your business name. Then over here you create the unique store name. All right, so you can add, like we said, sharemystore.com/Moviomat. All right, then the next thing, you can see the WhatsApp contact still there. Then the next thing is allow customers to chat you on WhatsApp. So like I said, it has WhatsApp integration. Okay, so the next thing is the address. Okay, The next thing is the address of your store. So the next thing here is your business category. So what are you selling? Okay, this is where you find what you're selling and select what is appropriate. Okay, so the next thing we have here is other business name. Okay, GST number, email ID. Okay, so this is where you can add your email ID if there is still another contact you'd want to add, so you can also add it right here. Then over here is your Facebook, your Facebook store and your Instagram store. So once you're done setting all of this up, you just save. Okay, you just save. So the next thing is discount code. Do you want to create a code that when people shop on the store, they will get a discount? All right, so you can see over here we have a percentage discount or fixed discount. All right, so once you set this up, once people enter that discount code, just like you see on Jumia or Konga or AliExpress or eBay or any of the e-commerce platforms. All right, so you too can do that for yourself or on your own business application or business store or e-commerce store. Okay, so over here is where you set up your business hours. How long do you stay? Is it from whenever to whenever time is your business open? So the next thing is delivery settings. All right, so delivery areas, if there are places that you can only deliver to. All right, so this is where you set it up. Okay, then the next is delivery time. Okay, how long will it take you? He said provide an estimated time for the delivery of orders. All right, if it's 1 to 3 whatever, you already should understand this. So the next thing is delivery fee. Okay, so how much is it? A paid delivery or is it free delivery? All right, so this is where you set up the delivery fee. Okay, so I hope you see how awesome this application is. And then the next thing is allow customers to add delivery option. If you have bought things online, you must have seen where they ask any other information or instruction for the seller. All right, so this is where people can get, okay, I make sure I have the black color, the days, the sizes, the that, and this that. So this is when you turn this on at the checkout. Okay, we're also going to try buying something from the store, so you look at how all of these look. All right, so let's add the delivery service. All right, let's add delivery service. Let's say search and add multiple delivery areas. So let's just say Lekki. Okay, yeah, so we have Lekki phase 1. Where do I add? Maybe let me add Shangotedo. Okay, so these are the areas. This thing I'm typing right now means these are the areas where I can deliver to. Okay, these are the areas I can deliver to. So this is just for instance though. So the next thing is delivery time. How long does it take? Okay, delivery time should take let's just say 30 minutes. All right, let's say 30 minutes to 1 hour. All right, to 1 hour. So let's just keep it this way, so you see what I just set up at the end. Okay, so the next thing is going to be requiring is how much does it cost? Is it free or there is a certain amount? You can see that I've already set it to Nigerian naira. Okay, so if whichever country that you're based is going to set it up to that country's currency. Okay, so let's just say that delivery is 1,500. Okay, so if there is a condition, I can still add free delivery on orders above. You see, so you can still write free delivery on orders above 10,000 naira, for instance. Okay, so now we've set up our delivery. Okay, we've set up our delivery, everything is all set. So in the language, if you want to change to any other language, you can. Okay, so we're done with settings. All right, so the next thing is let's go home. All right, so this is how the home looks like. So this application also offers you inventory of your stock. Okay, so what this means is you get to see the number of persons that are visiting the store, all right, and also the number of orders that are either pending or accepted. Okay, that is what you get to see over here. Then you also get to see the total number of orders, the total number of product views, all right, the total number of store views, and then the amount that you have made in your store. Okay, so up here you see where you can share the link to your store on WhatsApp, or you just copy the link and share anywhere else. All right, maybe you copy the link and put on your Facebook ads. All right, so you can do that as well. Okay, so this is where you also get to see an inventory. Okay, you get to see the pending order, accepted order, shipped items, delivered item, declined item, cancelled item. All right, so now whenever someone makes an order, so this is an order that someone placed. Okay, it comes in here. So when I open it, you're going to see some things. You're going to see what the person ordered for, total number, and then the customer's details. So you're going to see the phone number, the address, and the name of the customer. And if the customer selected catch on delivery, so it's also going to be here. All right, it's also going to appear here. And then if there was any comment, then you'd have seen the comment here. So up here you're going to see share invoice. All right, so it's preparing an invoice for the customer. So assuming that I've accepted this, this is just the same way Jumia sends you an invoice of your store. Assuming I've accepted this already, so I'm just going to send an invoice via an invoice to this customer via WhatsApp. Okay, an invoice. So I'm just looking for the number to even send it to, and there will be no problem. Okay, all right, so this is my other contact. So I'm going to send this invoice to this number. So you see, I've sent the invoice to the customer right now. So let's look at how the invoice even looks like. I hope you're seeing how awesome this application is. Okay, so this is the invoice, as you can see, from Movio Mart, Lekki Gardens, pending days, that and that. Okay, so this is how the invoice looks like. All right, so let's go back to our store and continue the review. Okay, so once you've done all of this, you can now do what? Tap the accept. So once it's accepted, the customer is going to be notified that you have accepted his order. So let's try to accept this. Select delivery time. So let's just say 2 hours. So it's going to be delivered in 2 hours. Yes, accept. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is, once the order has been shipped, I'm going to tap on ship order, which means that the order has been shipped. Okay, so let's also check it out. We'll still find out how it looks. Okay, it's going to send me a message, all right, that my order has been selected by the vendor. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. So this is it. Have now moved, the order have moved to accepted. So once I tap shipped, okay, ship order, are you done packing the order and want to ship? Yes, ship it. Okay, so the order has moved from accepted to shipped. All right, so from there, if the order has been delivered, okay, I'm going to tap on delivered. Okay, yes, delivered. All right, so you see how it's helping you to run inventory of your stock. All right, so this is where it has finally reached. Okay, this is where it was finally reached. Okay, so now the next thing is, how do you create products and collections on this application on this store. All right, so I'm going to tap, first off, let's go to collections and create collection. So I've already created one collection called fashion. All right, so let's create a collection. Let's add an image. Let me just get an image. Allow. So let's get an image from my phone. So let's assume that this person sells furniture. So this is the shares category. Okay, so this is the shares category. Okay, so I've added a collection. Remember how collections look like when you open e-commerce stores on Jumia or any of the e-commerce stores in your location. All right, so now let's go to add product. So I'm going to tap on new product. So I'm going to select product image. Okay, so let's still go to the same place where I found that stuff and use okay, let's use this. Okay, so we have added the product image. Then the next thing is the product's name, plastic shares. All right, so now the MRP is what was the actual initial cost. Okay, so let's say that the cost was 20,000 naira, but now I'm going to be selling it for 15,000 naira. So you're getting 25% discount. You see? So how many units do you have? Okay, select the what is SI units? Let's say sets. Okay, so the next thing is add the product description. All right, add the product description. So let's just say white, strong, imported, durable. I don't know, so let's just leave it this way. Okay, in fact, let me even put it. Okay, let's leave it this way. All right, the next thing is inventory. Select the product quantity. How many of it is it? So you can write limited stock. All right, so how many total do you have? 15. Okay, for instance. So the next thing is add to collection. All right, remember that collection that we've set. So let's tap on share. All right, so this is a share. Okay, so do you have variants of the product? So this is where you set up. Maybe you're selling a cloth that is white and also let's tap on add variant. So we have for color, let's write we have the white one, white, black, orange. Okay, so we have the color. All right, so let's go back for color. Then for let's still go back to the variants. So now you can see white, black. So if for the white color, now that the white color is another price, you must have seen this on Jumia where they said that, you know, different colors or different sizes at different costs. Okay, let's just say that the white color is 12,000 naira and the quantity I have is 5. Okay, and then limited stock. All right, so this is where you now see the white variant is this color. So it also has where you can actually add the product image of the white one. All right, so once that is done, we can now tap add products. Okay, we can now tap add products. So it have added the products. All right, so you can use this and add as many as possible products that you want. Okay, you can use this and add as many as possible as you want. Okay, so now when you look at this share button over here, what do you think it's for? You can actually share a collection in your store with someone on WhatsApp. All right, you can see I've shared it with this contact. Okay, so now let's check out my store. So now I'm going to send my store. All right, let's share my store with someone and see how this is gonna look. So right now we are going to be looking at how it's going to look from a customer's view. All right, how is it going to look when a customer visits my store? So I'm going to tap on this. Okay, so you can see how it said you can now call us on this. Feel free to call if you need any help ordering. All right, so let's try it out right now. Let's try it out. So I'm going to go to Chrome, okay, and open that store link. All right, So let's open the store link. Okay, so the store is already open. So this is the store. All right, so this is the store that we are entering. Okay, so this is how it looks when someone visits the store. You can see how awesome it's looking, right? You can see how good it's looking. So I have my plastic share. You can see the 20% off, 12% off for these clothes. Okay, so you can see how it looks. So this is the store address. If you want to call the store, you can call. If you want to call the WhatsApp, you can call. Delivers to Aja, to Lekki phase 1 and all of that. Okay, so now I'm going to select this item. Okay, so you can go to the collection. All right, you can also go to carts, then you can also go to what the orders that you have placed. Okay, so now let's go and check it out. Let's tap on plastic share. Okay, let's tap on plastic share. So you can see the black, the orange and the white. Okay, so the variants that we added. So this is the description as we wrote it. Okay, so let's just select one. We need one of this, then we need one of this, and we need one of this. Okay, so let's tap and go to cart. All right, so this is how it's looking, guys. So if there was a coupon, all right, this is where the customer can apply the coupon and get free delivery. Okay, so for the discount is giving us 13,000 naira discount and delivery charges free, because remember that we said if you are ordering something above 10,000 naira, you get a free delivery. Okay, so now it's going to ask the customer to what? Please add your details. So I'm going to add my details, my phone number and my address. Okay, and my address. Okay, this is my base in Abakali. So every other thing have been added. So we tap on proceed to pay. Okay, proceed to pay. So amount to pay 42,000. Delivery address this. So how do you want to pay? Cash on delivery. Okay, cash on delivery. Okay, so the next thing is tap to pay cash on delivery. Okay, so the order has been placed, guys. The order has been placed. So right now it's going to send a message to you that bought the item, and then send a message to the store owner. All right, it's going to send a message to the store owner, to you that bought the item as well. Okay, so order details. So let's look at it. All right, so this is how your store is looking like in the sight of the person buying from you. Okay, so now let's go to your store back. All right, let's go to your store. Let's go to the store and see what we will find there. Okay, so where is my store? Okay, this is my store. All right, so this is my store. So what do we have? Okay, we have an order, guys. We have an order. So my phone have actually vibrated right now. So we have an order. All right, so we have 3 items. Okay, so let's open the order and see what we have. All right, so of course, first thing first, let's share our invoice. All right, tap and share the invoice with the purchaser. All right, so if you now want the purchaser to maybe not pay on delivery or whatever, okay, right now I didn't actually see the option to pay with card. All right, so let's share this thing with. So I've shared the invoice with my customer. Okay, so there is no option to pay with card. All right, there's no option I saw to pay with card or pay before delivery. Okay, to pay before delivery, I didn't see that option. I wish there was an option to also pay before delivery. The only option is the pay on delivery option. All right, maybe the store knows that a lot of people would prefer to pay on delivery, or whatever reason it is that made them not to add that option. All right, but there is no option to pay before delivery. So over here, this is the pending order. So let's accept the order and say, okay, we'll be delivering to you in 8 hours. Yes, accept. You know what we did? Ship order. So once the order is shipped. So the next thing is it delivered. So you tap delivered. Okay, so over here, like I said, you can be able to check on everything happening on your store. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you create your store, right, and set up your products and every using My Store by Cadabook. Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel, like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.